In this video, I'm going to show you what is the best broker for live trading Forex. Even you have no past experience, okay? You don't even have to. After watching this video, you will make the decision on what Forex broker you will choose. So, first thing, obviously, you have to go with the leading regulated firms out there that there are. What I will just actually um, start off with IC markets. Okay, the best. Let me just type it in right here. IC markets, the best firm that's out there for this is not like in the USA for this is for like people that are out of the USA. Okay, the lowest spreads like no, they literally have zero point 0.0 spreads, so pretty much you have a lot of leverage, you have micro lots, a lot of instruments, pretty much the best that are out there. I'm not affiliated, I'm not paid to talk good about them. I've had my experience with it. Obviously, now if you want to trade your own or your own capital, you can trade them on MT4, MT5, and then C Trader. Um, Pretty much, you have to understand that IC markets is an online forex, okay, and CFD or the contract for difference broker that provides actually the trading services for retail institutional clients. And the company was founded in 2007. Okay, like the futures, obviously going to have you have a lot of leverage. You're going to have the regulation on your side. Customer support is always going to be with you, so you don't have to even worry about like none of this. So for the non-US people, there's obviously just use IC markets. I don't care what you think. There's a lot of unregulated brokers out there, pretty much that are just going to steal your money, just hold your uh, hard-earned money that you're putting into trading. So for people out of USA, IC markets is the way to go. People that are in USA or maybe even they don't have access to on the for IC markets. Boom, here interactive brokers. Number one, second thing, I'm gonna say it's Oanda. So previously, you can see that we have interactive brokers. You can see you have the pricing, okay, commissions, all of this. Very low spreads, okay. There's zero barrier to entry. Now I'm aware that a lot of also here you can just go in even with like $15 or so. Zero money or minimal deposit. You can just start with however you want. And also know that the Oanda also has zero, so that's good. Here the commissions are a little bit higher with Oanda. So going with interactive broker, you can see it says why. Pretty much clients over 200 countries. Okay, I'm not gonna go ahead and click watch the video, but have also trading platforms, which I pretty much just use trading with the best platform out there. But yeah, with that, you're gonna see that there's also you will need to understand that interactive brokers, okay, the overall platform itself has an average spread of around 0.62 or so with our US dollar standard lot size. It's pretty, I mean, very low. With with IC markets, you have, although that's very low, with IC markets, you have zero point 0.0, right? So, yeah, it's crazy how good of a opportunity and offer IC market is. Also, you have to be aware that with interactive brokers, they're also CFTC regulated, so they're CFTC like registered. The overall rating is also going to be like 5 stars in this one. Some other brokers is also going to be the IG broker, right? The IG review what's IG, but you need to have a minimal deposit, right? It's going to be like around 250 pounds or so. But yeah, I'm not going to talk about more on IG. What I'm definitely going to say is that interactive brokers for the no like for the US residents or so or OANDA, just so you can be 100% sure what you're actually picking. And from previous experience, okay, just you want to go with the leading firms in the industry. You have also low spreads on OANDA, but this is far a worse pick than interactive brokers. Then for the people who are outside of USA, now I'm aware that IC markets is just banned in a lot or some of the countries. So search. You can see if I search right here. So I'm just gonna click on this one, anti-money like laundering, sanctioned countries. So pretty much where you can actually trade. While we welcome clients from all over the globe, governmental restrictions, along with our company's policies, prohibit IC markets and global forum opening accounts originated from the following registered or sanctioned countries. So these are sanctioned countries. Find your country on the list. You cannot use IC markets, but you can actually go at it with the interactive brokers. I'm going to link links below. They're not going to be referrals or just I'm not affiliated with them. Just speaking from experience. That's simply it. I will see you in the next one.